My name is Paul Sherry. I'm a partner in a company called Energy Assessments Northern Ireland. We specialise in energy performance certificates for all buildings constructed, sold and rented. With a wee bit of background, we're construction engineers, civil engineers and quantity surveyors, and we sort of seen a gap in the market 3 years ago when the legislation came out. The energy performance of buildings, that is. The internet is a fundamental part of our business. We didn't realise that at the start when we first initially started out. We use the internet for uploading certificates, downloading instant tender alerts. We also use it for the transfer of files from architects to us and vice versa. So it is a huge part, and the speed is one of the requirements that we definitely need in our business. Yeah. Since we had fibre installed, we've gotten instant emails with large architectural files. Previously we may have had to go and visit architects in real time and actually collect the drawings and come back, which is a cost to ourselves, both time and money really to go. So it's cut times down in large amounts really, so we can receive drawings, open them up and start work pretty much instantaneously. It has increased the efficiency of the business as our time is far better used in the office as opposed to going out and surveying and collecting drawings. So I suppose it has become more efficient and leaner in that respect. Tangible benefits for our business we've seen is when we upload the information to the certificates, the software in particular, to establish an energy rating. Previously we would have had to wait a couple of minutes for the certificate to come up. Now it's instant as well, which saves us time and it gets to the client quicker really, so we have a better return service. The turnaround time's faster. It's definitely benefited us. We're no longer at a disadvantage compared to city-based competitors. Previously, things may have been a wee bit slower. We may not have realised the advantages the faster broadband would give us, but now that we have it, we've never looked back really. A main part of our business is getting tender alerts on a daily basis, and that then means that we have to fill in online tender applications, and the quicker we do that, the better chance we have of receiving the documents and getting the pre-qualifications in on time. Which is a major factor when you're tendering for services. It has also increased our productivity, and we can see that increasing further in the coming years. In the future, we may be a small business, but with big plans. We believe that we are currently competing with all other UK companies who offer similar services, and we believe we'll be competing against the best and holding our own. Because we're a company set up really in a rural area, Newcastle, one of the primary objectives when we first initially started out, as with any small business, is to keep overheads at a minimum, and that also was pretty much to do with rentals. We may not have been able to afford rental space in Belfast area, and we thought it was a decision at the start to go base in Newcastle, which is very close to where we live. And it definitely hasn't put us at a disadvantage now with the faster broadband speed.